Pro enables incredibly fast transfer speeds. So it's much faster to transfer your large ProRAW photos or ProRes videos to your Mac. And now you can use your iPhone with Capture One to shoot and instantly transfer 48 megapixel ProRAW directly to a Mac, easily creating a Pro Studio suited for today's fast-paced needs. iPhone 15 Pro also supports recording ProRes video directly to an external storage drive. Video productions can quickly swap drives and keep iPhone as the main camera on set. Recording to an external drive enables even higher quality recording options, pushing ProRes 4K up to 60 frames per second for the first time. A great option for filmmakers to create cinematic slow motion. We are also introducing log encoding to make ProRes even more powerful for our pro users, enabling more range and flexibility for visual effects and color grading in post-production. With log encoding, iPhone 15 Pro will be the first smartphone in the world to support the Academy Color Encoding System, or ACES, a global standard for color workflows, making it easier for filmmakers to use iPhone in their production. The iPhone 15 Pro camera system pushes the limits of what you can capture with a smartphone. The precious memories you capture on iPhone look incredible when viewing with Apple Vision Pro. Photos and videos look lifelike, and panoramas expand to create an immersive experience that wraps around you. And there's one more unique feature we've created just for the world of spatial computing. With iPhone 15 Pro, you can now capture spatial videos. We use the ultra-wide and main cameras together to create a three-dimensional video. You can then relive these memories in a magical way on Apple Vision Pro. This is really important as your iPhone is with you all the time, so you won't ever miss capturing a special moment using spatial video, like your family's beach vacation. Spatial video lets you feel like you're right back to that moment in time. You can also share these spatial videos with anyone with an Apple Vision Pro so they can feel like they were there too. Capturing spatial video will be available later this year. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro, our best and most pro iPhone ever, with a new, beautiful, strong, and lighter titanium design, as well as next-level performance from the A17 Pro, a convenient and customizable action button, and our most pro camera system for our best photos and videos ever, including next-generation portraits and our longest optical zoom on iPhone 15 Pro Max, all while still providing great all-day battery life. The iPhone 15 Pro will start at the same price as last year, $999. An iPhone 15 Pro Max featuring the new 5X telephoto camera will start at $1199 with 256 gigabytes of storage, which also matches last year's price with this level of storage. We also have incredible offers from Apple and our carrier partners, including up to $1,000 off in the US when you trade in an iPhone 11 Pro or newer. All new iPhone models will be available for pre-order this Friday, September 15th, and they'll be available in stores next week on September 22nd. And starting next week, iCloud Plus is adding 2 new plans, 6 and 12 terabytes, for even more room to keep your photos and videos safe. iCloud Plus also has great features that allow you to easily share your photos, automatically back up your iPhone, and so much more. And of course, with family sharing, everyone in your household can get all the benefits of iCloud Plus. This is by far our best iPhone lineup ever, with Dynamic Island across the iPhone 15 lineup, incredible new camera systems, and powerful features that you'll use throughout the day. And the iPhone lineup starts at just $429 with iPhone SE. Now, back to Tim.